Alright, good morning guys. Today we're going to see the diagnostic tool that is called Acrylic Wi-Fi Home. And what this thing does is that it analyzes the different Wi-Fi channels in your area and makes sure that they're not interrupting your frequency, or just tests out how good a Wi-Fi network and how good the connection is. So this one's me right here. I'm the slow tier one because this is the slower of my two Wi-Fis. And if you click it, it gives you basic indicators of the quality, the signal quality, the SNR, the network security, transmission speed, the standards, and the retry rates. Um, so you could see how good your channel stacks up to the other ones here in the neighborhood. Like if I wanted to see my neighbors, I could see that his channel quality and signal quality are not as good as mine. His network security, I think, is as good as mine, and the standards that he has are pretty average too. So you could see how they stack up. Over here you have the name of them, their identifiers, the MAC addresses. You have the received signal strength indicator here. You have the channel that they're on, the maximum speed. You have the different kinds of security. You have their vendors. And then you can stack them up from basically how close and far they are. The last being like the farthest ones from you. Um, the thing I really like about this one is that I have the Xfinity hotspots, so I'm able to see if I wanted to connect to this Xfinity ones near me, just how good they are. And this hotspot has an overall 6 out of 10 quality, and this hotspot that's closer to me is not so bad, which explains why every time I want to connect to Xfinity hotspot, I can't seem to do it. Its signal quality is pretty okay, but I think I'm having more trouble with the transmission speed and the channel quality as well. So this is a pretty good way of how to see how the Wi-Fi networks around you work, how strong they are. We can see this hidden network over here has great channel quality, great signal quality, is great network security, good transmission speed, and about average standards. So you could just see how they stack up against you. Mine is pretty 7 out of 10. It's got good signal quality, good channel quality, but I can improve the network security. So this one right here, the hidden one, definitely has better network security than I do. It does help that they're hidden too, so no one can find them. I think that's about it. It's a pretty nifty little tool. If you upgrade to the Pro one, or you take some of the tutorials, it'll show you exactly how to optimize your Wi-Fi network instead of just being able to look at other ones and comparing and contrasting them. It'll teach you how to really utilize the channel quality, the signal quality, and how to improve your security, and maybe even how to get your transmission speed up a bit too. It'll let you it'll teach you how to really find ways to optimize the Wi-Fi that you have so that you could be running very fast. I know that I have a very good max speed going on here, but if I don't have very good signal quality or channel quality, it'll really affect it. So the Pro version will definitely tell you just how to optimize everything. And I think that's about it. Yeah, so you can go ahead and give this one a try. I think it's pretty fun, so I recommend this one.